share the sound also, system. Okay, so this word should have a long A sound in it. Read the prompt. What is the prompt written? Something that is said or written clearly. What is the word for it?
Ma'am, I have A-I.
No, you have to tell me the word. Something that is said or written very, very clearly. I have given my dash. What is the word? Clear cut. Starts with letter S. What can be the word? It should have a long A sound also.
Ma'am, I am thinking of for said
What?
and that.
No, not said and that. One word. It starts with S, actually ST, end in a T also. And you say, I made my. Come on, nobody. Guesses. Statement. Statement.
Clearly.
Something that is said or written clearly. I have given my statement. Statement is always clear cut. ओके हम बोलते हैं ना पुलिस में भी स्टेटमेंट नोट करते हैं ना जब किसी को लेकर आते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
That I will write down your statement means it should be clear. So the word is statement. Write that word.
Ma'am, written.
Written. Okay. Done, everyone? Siddhan, you also? Statement. And these all words will have long A sound. Chalo. Next. Hanji. This is easy. Read the prompt and tell me what is the word. Yes, Divisha?
Ma'am, climber.
Grapevine.
Yeah. Grapevine, and grapevine is a climber only. Grapevine is the plant on which the grapes grow. Grapevine. Also, it has the long A sound. Grapevine.
Ma'am, written.
All right.
I'm done.
Done. Okay. Next.
I'm done.
Okay, to have something inside. That my juice dash a lot of sugar. My food.
Ma'am, has.
Another word for has. Like what else can you
Ma'am,
use?
Having.
No. It should have.
Contains.
Yes, correct. Contain. Okay, contain is the word. You can put S also, no problem. Contains or contain.
Ma'am, it is contain or contain?
Contain. That my food contains a lot of sugar. मतलब to have something inside. उसके अंदर
Ma'am,
को.
written.
Okay. Then.
I'm done.
Is everyone done? Then only I'll spin the next clue.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then the
So,
next word is. To make something look more beautiful.
decorate.
Yes. Wow, Arush, very smart. Long A word, decorate. To make something look more beautiful, the word is decorate. Write down the word.
I thought the sentence how to decorate a Christmas tree and I got the word decorate.
Great. Okay.
Done,
Chalo,
ma'am.
now, this is a very good way to practice your spellings in a fun way. See, I'm not even telling you the word. You are thinking it. Next clue. So the clue is
P.
money that you give for something you buy. I
P.
have to give the
Amount.
another word. Amount doesn't have a long A sound.
Ma'am,
Change.
pay.
Okay. What else can you add after it, Zidan?
Payment.
Ma'am, payment.
Yes, you got it.
Payment.
Yeah, payment is the word. Very
Oh,
good. Write it.
payment.
Write it. Payment. So money that you give for something you buy. Also look for which long A sound are you writing in that word. You can even keep underlining the long A sound that you're writing in these words. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Right.
What was the third one?
Anybody who can tell him the third one?
Contain.
Contain. Now next clue. To say that you are unhappy about something, think a little. To say that you are unhappy about something.
Ma'am, boring.
No, it should have a long A sound in it. You can think of some synonyms of unhappy as well here.
Sad.
No, sad doesn't have that long A sound. And why will ma'am give you so easy word?
Yes,
Kuch socho.
ma'am. I will give so.
Kuch socho. Why would I give you that easy word? Sad.
Something's missed. I have no idea.
And you can also say that when you are unhappy, then you always crib about things, no? So you always say a few statements about that thing. What do you call it?
Ma'am, tantrum. Ma'am, unpleasant. Unpleasant.
No, not unpleasant, not tantrum. I have a lot of dash about this product. I did not like it.
Guilt.
I want, no, not guilt. I want to dash about this product I bought from you.
Disappointment.
I have a dash about this book I bought. I want to return it. And in the classroom, children also keep on doing it. If someone troubles you, so you go to your teacher and what do?
Complain.
Yes, you got the word complaint. Okay, or complain.
Ma'am,
So to
complain
say
or complaint?
complain. If you write any which ways, both the words would be fine. So,
Ma'am, which
say,
was the fifth one?
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
yes, Tehan, you can go.
Which was the fifth one?
Fifth one, what was the fifth one? Tell him.
Payment.
Payment was the. Why were you not writing that, Arush? Where were you lost?
Ma'am, I went to
Lost
take my
in
bag.
the music, huh? And what else? Lost.
Ma'am,
Yes,
do you know 6-7?
I know it's very old now. 6, 7. All kids going crazy.
It's the main brain rot of 2025. But now brain rots are not rare.
Brain rots.
Which
Okay.
rot our brain?
It rots your brain. Yeah. Okay.
Always do it. Keep something.
And the prompt is
Keep something in good condition or continue it. Long.
so keep something in good continuation is that you are dash something that it remains
Lasting.
I dash my clothes very well, so that or I dash my Almira very well. It doesn't look, huh? What?
Ma'am, organized.
Clean.
Organized.
Another word for organized. Another word for organized. You have to dash a notebook for your English classes.
Ma'am, ready. Ready.
Not ready. You have to dash one notebook only for your English classes, only for your.
Bring.
Prepare.
Look at the clue also. With what did you say?
Ma'am, prepare.
No, not prepared. Look at the clue also. Clue says that you have to keep something in the good condition. But how can you
What does
prepare?
the letter? What does the word start from?
Letter M.
Maintain.
Right?
Maintain.
Right. So you have to keep something in good condition or continue it.
Then, ma'am.
Okay, done?
Yes,
Maintain.
ma'am.
So let's go ahead and spin for the next clue.
Ma'am, what was the word?
Maintain. Maintain. Okay, the next clue is when you think pleasant thoughts instead of focusing, and this happens in day, okay?
I'm
In the night,
daydreaming.
yes, daydreaming is the word. When you think of pleasant
Ma'am, what
thoughts,
is the word?
daydreaming. Whenever you are there, like thinking
Ma'am.
of something, some pleasant thoughts, and not focusing, so we call it, are you daydreaming? Right? That is the word. So daydream or
Done,
daydreaming,
ma'am.
anything can be written.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Next one is and the clue is a system where trains.
And railway track.
Yeah, it
Railway
must be railway. Railway, you can just write down railway. And it has two long A sounds. Both are written in a different way. Okay? Pay focus.
done.
Railway.
Done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Next, and the last one is
A place where we change.